Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can change RAM or hard disk of your laptop. So this is my laptop. I have a hard disk here. This I want to change, so it's very simple. So I'm using this tools. It's very simple and it's very affordable. Okay, so you look for the star. I'm using star, as you can see. Okay, so let's go and start opening our PC. Okay, so one thing you have to keep in mind is wherever you take your board, make sure you put it in a place not to mess up. Okay, so let's open. So basically yours will be different, but the process is just the same. Sometimes you don't need to open everything. You need to open some small parts, then you are good to go. But for my PC, I need to open everything in order to change my hard disk. Okay, so after removing the bolts, I open my laptop. Okay, so basically if you want to change the RAM, it's just very simple. You just press this and this one. So if you want to exchange it, you use the new RAM, then you insert it like this, then you press. You get it? Okay, very simple. Okay, so you push like that, then you press. It's done. Okay, this is our hard disk. Let's change our hard disk. Hold this tight, then this is the old hard disk I put aside. This is our new hard disk you want to change. You can see. Okay, so you check how this looks like, then you check your laptop, make sure you put it correctly. Okay, so I'll just insert. Done. So basically it's very simple if you want to change your hard disk or RAM. Okay, after that you put everything back, then you are done. Thank you. See you.